What's this in here for?
I have no idea. It's been sitting on the lot forever, so I guess we own it. Get it, go through it, get it done, put it back out there for sale. I'll call Advanced Auto Parts right now and get you everything you need.
All right.
It's been sitting there for like a year and a half.
Richard always finds a way to keep me busy and making dollars. We'll be installing a Carquest alternator, Carquest polyrib belt, and a Carquest battery with a new cable.
Basically, this truck came in. Notice it had some charging issues. Alternator looks like this truck has like 300,000 miles on it. No telling when this thing was replaced. The belt looks a little bit worn. Go ahead and replace that too. And then, as you can see, the cabling is kind of, done in someone's backyard or something. So, went ahead and got some cables, and obviously, we can replace this inferior battery with our Carquest battery. So,
that's a good idea.
How about you start battery stuff, pull the cables, we'll run new cables and stuff. I'll start with the alternator and get the belt off and everything.
All right, gotcha.
Cool with that?
When removing the alternator, make sure you take the belt off first. Once we have the belt off, double check for wear and cracks on both sides of the belt. When removing the old battery, be sure to disconnect the negative side terminal and then the positive side. After removing the old cables, you'll want to reinstall the new cables back into their factory location. Be sure to reinstall the new battery in the same direction you removed it. Once the cables are reinstalled in their correct location, secure and tighten the new cables by using the proper wrench or socket. When removing the alternator, be sure you disconnect the negative terminal and any wires connected to it before you unbolt the alternator. Reinstall the new alternator into its factory location. Be sure to secure the bolts and hook up any wires you disconnected from the back of the alternator. Once you've relieved the pressure from your tensioner, reinstall your new belt and use the proper routing found in your manual.
So we got a new alternator, new belt, battery and cables. Charles, you the man.
Charles.
All right. Cool, all done?
Yes, sir.
See? Simple little call to Advanced Auto Parts to get everything handled. Now we get this thing out there for sale.
For sale.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, this is Coy's truck. This is Mike's truck.
Mine now.